Hey everyone, this is Tom here, and I want to just talk a couple minutes about ADNT. ADNT is a gold mining exploration penny stock. Um, they have a mining project in northeastern Brazil called the Gold Hills Serra do Ouro property, and again, it's a gold mining exploration penny stock, currently trading about 17 cents. The um, the stock kind of has an interesting pattern here. If you go all the way back here to March of 2010, you can see that it had a, you know, bumpy, low volume rise from about 10 cents, or let's see, about a low of 5 cents in from January 2010 all the way up to roughly $5 and change. And that occurred over a period of about 1 year and 6 months. That is an astonishing run. Now, it's obviously got light volume throughout the entire move. We're not talking massive liquidity here in terms of volume, but the fact is that this stock ran from 5 cents as the extreme low to $5 and change. Then the stock essentially crashed, really crashed, plummeted, creating a large gap here. Oops. A large gap there near about $2.80. And, it's come down, it's kind of based, but it's essentially at this point formed a double bottom. Okay, and the double bottom spans about a year, almost about 2 years, and that's powerful. When you have a double bottom with a huge amount of space between it, it's an important fact, an important technical fact. It does not guarantee, of course, that that it's the ultimate bottom and that it can't break down. But so far, ADNT has shown very encouraging signs that it wants to start a new bull market. Another sign that we see that it's about to start a new bull market is the volume. Volume is the money, it's the power, it's the energy that is a clue to traders and investors that a new move is about to begin. There it is. Here's the volume. Okay, we have a light now. To me, this is accumulation here. Okay, we've got the price bouncing. It bounced from a low of 8 cents up to 20 cents in January. Since then, it's come down for a retest again. Let me just zoom in here a little bit. Okay, so here it rallied, came back down, kind of has been drifting around, but now it's starting to pick up again. So to me, this stock is based out, it's bottomed out. The volume is showing a massive accumulation. These are the early buyers, in my opinion. And this is all occurring at a double bottom level that occurred about 2 years ago, which is a constructive sign for the stock. But again, it's important to keep in mind that this entire run here, the previous run from 5 cents to $5 and change, that occurred over a 1.5 year period. Okay. Now, take a quick look at silver wheaton. Silver wheaton is a massively liquid New York Stock Exchange traded stock. But I'm just showing you an example of what these gold mining stocks can do. They are extremely volatile. But here we had a New York Stock Exchange traded stock, silver wheaton, with massive silver reserves. I don't quite understand their business model. I don't think they actually mine. There's some other aspect to silver wheat in that I don't believe they actually mine silver. I could be wrong about that, but anyway, I'm just focusing on the technicals here. 2005 had a huge extended run, and then what happens? It plummeted. Okay, it plummeted just like ADNT. So here it is, sitting at a double bottom. And what does it do? That was the ultimate bottom. The stock takes off, but it takes time. But the stock took off, went to new highs, and that's the end of the story. Massive, massive profits in SLW. Now, obviously, silver wheaton is not a penny stock. So in that regard, it's an unfair comparison. But I focus on the technicals. Technical patterns repeat; they're valid. Here we have ADNT, double bottom, similar to silver wheaton, and we have it starting to inch up here, and possibly form into a breakout. The other important fact about ADNT is the MACD. The MACD is rapidly approaching the zero line in breakout mode. It's inches away from crossing above the zero line up here. This was the same situation that occurred before the launch of its other massive mega bull run from 5 cents to $5. Okay, you had a transfer of the MACD line above the zero line. We are inches away from that now. So my expectation is that we will evolve into a slow motion breakout similar to what occurred back here. But I have to emphasize that I believe this run is going to be a slow motion run if it does occur, and if I'm correct. It's going to be a slow motion type breakout. That's how these things usually work. You get a couple big spikes, then you get a big retracement. It scares everybody out. It goes choppy for a month, a couple weeks. Then it kind of builds up higher. The early moves tend to be very discouraging, or they disguise themselves as looking discouraging. But a lot of times, ultimately, they reach their destination. So that was the MACD. RSI is also important. It's showing a breakout here in terms of RSI. This is an RSI breakout, okay? I don't have the moving averages plotted on here, but we also broke above the 50-day moving average today. Let's see, what else was I going to say? Okay, just last but not least, if you do a Fibonacci retracement here from the all-time highs of $5, the bare minimum Fibonacci retracement of the entire decline comes in close to $1.50 on this stock. But a normal retracement of the 38% Fibonacci retracement brings us all the way up to $2 and change, $2.25. And a gap fill at the 50% retracement puts us close to $3. So to me, I think we have a runner here of an extended duration, and with a chance for some intermittent spikes in the early going. But I think this is going to work higher going for the rest of 2012. And I do hold a position in ADNT, and I'm likely to hold on to a core position for the rest of 2012. Just because of the long-term nature of this chart and what appears to be a good longer-term prospect for the year 2012. Okay, thanks for watching. I do occasionally work on a site called bestonlinetrades.com. This does not cover penny stocks. I cover other material there. But I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day.